Hey everybody, it's Peter, aka Joseph von Schmidt with Stock Market 101. Check out my Facebook page, Diamond Headed Apes, as well as you can find me, Joseph von Schmidt, Peter Schmicky, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, here we go. Today we're going to be showing you buying the dips, what that means. Granted, this is if you have a stock that you are firmly believing in, and some stocks are going to have good days and they're going to have bad days. And if you believe in this stock that you bought and you know it's a long-term good stock, what a very, very common suggestion to do is buy a stock during a dip. And now what does that mean? So I've already pulled up my Webull account. I'm taking a look here at AMC. This is just one of the stocks that I'm following and buying. So this right here is the chart. So we're following the pricing of the chart. So right here at this peak point of the chart, the price is at $13.97. So now when it drops down to this dip, let me just bring this up. I lost my camera there. You have a fall of $13.56, and then it jumps up to it falls down to $13.43, then it jumps up to $13.55, then it falls down to $13.49, and then you have a running spike right here that runs it to $13.63, so forth and so on. So, buying the dips is you're buying at these low points. Are you going to get them directly at the lowest point possible? No, because you may buy right here, $13.84, and then it may drop down to $13.38. We don't have an endless supply of money, but this is just something to think about. If you much rather want to buy in the dips instead of it being in the green. When it's at this peak points, this is not where you want to buy the stock if you're going to continue to build a position. Building a position is saying, okay, I have 25 shares of AMC. I want to add another 25 shares to AMC. So I would rather buy it here at 13.89 rather than 14.05, because at the dip, you're already making profit to that point. So we're at 14.05 now, you have all these other dips and valleys and peaks that go in, and to where you're actually going into the red. And so really, realistically, I just wanted to come over. Again, I wanted to start really slow, with Stock Market 101 buying tips. It's called buying the dip. Of course, there's other things that you have to take in consideration. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling people to buy AMC or anything like that. I am just happening to look at this chart because this was one of the charts that I just pulled up, and I decided that I wanted to show you a video about buying on the dips. And so with that being said, buying when it's red, when it's low in the dips, and holding till when it's green, when you want to sell or sell your position. So the object of this is to use your money, buy it as low as possible, sell it as high as possible to make a profit on your money. With that being said, I was just about to get into scalping and swing trades and stuff like that. If, for instance, this is a non-long-term stock and you buy it at $13.97, it can drop and keep on dropping. And if it keeps dropping to a certain amount of point, I'm sorry, lost my camera again. You might just want to sell it and cut your losses. These are risky stocks. These are stocks that you don't plan on holding long term. This is stocks that you plan on, trading for the day. And that's going to be another video down the line. But again, this really was just to show you on buying the dips and what the fundamentals of buying the dips are. You want to buy low, and you want to keep increasing your position. You can't buy every dip, but if this is long-term stock, it's going to price average your total stance, your total position in the stock, whereas you're going to keep on bringing your price down or up. And then at the end goal, you're going to have a lot more shares, making you a lot more profit. I really hope this helps, man. And everybody, thank you. This is Peter. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, share it with your friend. Of course, I'm going to put a link in the description for you guys to start buying and trading stocks yourself. It's the account that I like to use. Webull, I'm on the page right now. It's awesome, has good information, charts, as well as you're going to get 2 free stocks for signing up and making a deposit, and in turn I'll get a free stock as well. So it works out. It helps support the channel, helps me do what I'm going to be doing and trying to do, is helping people who want to understand the stock market, get involved with it, use it for their benefit, to make more than ends meet, and to really increase your lifestyle and your living with the money that you already have. All right. So I appreciate it, everybody. Like, subscribe. Thank you so much. And we'll check you next time. All right. Have a great day.